Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking system defaults and installing the right VS Code extensions. First, make sure your operating system default browser is set. This controls many VS Code calls. Once done, install Live Server and any Open in Browser or Chrome Debugger extension so you can specifically target a browser. Also locate the browser executable path now. You may need it for custom settings. These steps avoid guesswork and let you change behavior inside VS Code quickly. Now change VS Code settings to point at the browser you want. Open Settings or Edit Settings. JSON directly. For Live Server, set Live Server. Settings. Custom browser to Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or use a custom path like /applications/Google Chrome. App/. If you use the Chrome debugger, edit launch. JSON and set runtime executable to the browser executable path so debugging opens the right app. Make sure to target the correct profile or flags if you need incognito or specific user data. Finish by restarting VS Code and testing your chosen command. Open file with Live Server or launch a debug session. If the wrong browser opens, double-check the exact custom browser value or runtime executable path and confirm you saved settings. JSON. Once done, also confirm the system default isn't overriding behavior. If problems persist, close leftover browser processes, clear cache, and reopen VS Code. These small fixes often resolve path or locking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.